Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to convert video to MP3. So let's get started. So if you want to convert your video to MP3 format, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for video to MP3 converter. And after searching for that, now you'll come up to this page. From here, what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is free convert. And after tapping on that, now you have to choose a file. So just tap on choose file, and now you can select a file from your files. So just select a file that you would like to convert to MP3. So I would like to convert this file to MP3. So after selecting a file, now what you can do is just simply tap on convert, and now it starts converting. So just you have to wait for a while until it uploads, and after uploading your file you can just download it by tapping on this option, which is download. So here you can see guys, it's done. So now what you can do is you can just simply download the mp3 format of your video. So just tap on download and it has successfully downloaded. So just tap on files and open up the file, and after opening up your file, here you can see guys, the video has been successfully converted to mp3 format. So that's it guys, you will have to convert video to mp3. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.